Hello beautiful people, I am Upasana Taneja and in today's video we are going to solve this very beautiful question. So here as you can see we are given three things. We are given a table, as you can see this is a table, right? This is a table. And what else we are given? We are given a pigeon, this is a pigeon, and we are given a dog as well, this is a dog, right? What are they asking us to find? They are asking us to find the length of this table. That means this length we need to find. Suppose I say this length is t. Okay. I will call this length as t. Okay. I will write it here. This is t. Okay. And I will call this length, dog's length, as d. Okay. And I will call this length as p, pigeon's length. Okay, then I will try to make the equations. First, I will make the equations from right hand side, from this side, and then I will try to make the equation from left hand side. Okay, let us see what is our conclusion then. If we look at right hand side, look at this. This is pigeon plus 170. Pigeon plus p plus 170 is equal to what? Is equal to t, nothing but t plus d, right? This length and this length is same, so I can just equate them. Is equal to t plus d. If I rewrite this equation, I will get t plus d minus p is equal to 170. So I took the variables on left hand side and constant on right hand side, and this is my equation. Okay. Now I will try to solve the equation on left hand side. If I look at left hand side, on left hand side if I see this t, right, plus p. T plus p is equal to what? T plus p is equal to this 130 plus d, right? This is simple, 130 plus d. And if I rewrite this, I get t plus p minus d is equal to 130, right? So this is our second equation. Now I have two equations and I need to find the value of t only. Okay. Now if we carefully look at these two equations, we can see that d is positive here and d is negative here. P is negative here and P is positive here. That means if I add these add equation 1 and 2, what will happen? I will add them. T plus D minus P, left hand side, plus T plus P minus D, and right hand side is 170 plus 130. So D and D will cancel out, P and P will cancel out, and we are left with T plus T is 2T. That is equal to 300. That means t is equal to 150 centimeters. And you know what? We were supposed to find the length of table only, and we have found that. So this question is not that hard. It's very simple. We just need to apply whatever is given. I hope you understood this. If you like it, do visit my channel for more such videos. You will get maths olympiad questions. You will get short tricks as well. So don't forget to visit my channel, review my channel and tell me in comments. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.